Madelyn Everist. I'm a drummer from St. Petersburg, Florida, and I've been playing drums since I was 6 years old. I use the Collision 5B drumsticks because they have the perfect combination of power and control for both live performances and studio work. I love Collision because the durability of the sticks is incredible, the balance and feel make it super easy to play dynamically, and I love how Collision supports their artists. Today, I'm going to be playing Still Into You by Paramore.